What up, guys? So you have these Prelude fog lights, and maybe you live in the northern states or somewhere that's cold, and you ran through floods. So you'll see like the bottom half is rusted, and you see on the inside there's these little pieces that's stuck inside. Take it apart. This part is sealed up, but if you want to do like a lazy way, instead of taking it out apart and properly clean them, but you want to get these little things out, then take it apart. There's two screws. It's in the corners, opposite from each other. What you do is you just shake it, and it'll come out of the hole where the screw is at, and you'll see like the little pieces right there. And just keep shaking it until you get as much as possible out, and you should be good. Oh shoot. Just like this one. This one's been done. I think they're still a little bit stuck in that corner. Couldn't knock it out, but a lot came out, and it's good enough for me. So that's just a tip if you guys are kind of lazy and just want to quickly get that part out and don't really care about the rest. This is an old part. You know, cars like, was it like 90,000 to like 20 years old? 30s? I don't know. It's pretty old. Or almost 30 years. That's it. Hope you guys find this useful. All right. Thank you.